Business idea. Good morning. In this day, I am going to talk about an idea that was both a certification coach. Also, I am going to tell you the steps to follow that I had to carry out in order to say it out. What is my business idea? Will be create at the school the training about soft skills. What are soft skills? Are the that evidence the execution of your and facilitate the relationship with other persons, generating a more pleasant work environment. Advice for free. Af- After defining what kind of company I want to create, I must think in: 1. Name. 2. Brand design. 3. Legal documents. 4. Product briefcase. Name. This must be attractive, cool, striking that the person remembers. 2. Brand design. This is color elusive to imagine that I want present to the full logo folder product bright case. Legal documents are everyone documents that I need for my company start working. For example, the define inside the society will be, for example, SAS, SA, LTD, Chamber of Commerce, registration in the Young, all this is elaborate of and counter for product briefcase. This is made and formal presentation the product that the company will be selling. Social media: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, website, LinkedIn. It's very important that for continuing with the process for my own company, I must have social media. Of course, I know all the social media and recruit. First, I must identify which is the social network that the company recruits, especially to what kind of public I want to get. For example, only companies, only people, or only one person that want use certification. Development. At this point, after having all legal is all that promote the company for networking to vision and mission and value, and with a product briefcase is all the get result instead. Well, the job more hard until now begin and it get a reputation in the mirror. Thank you.